Today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and in this video I will show how you can connect this device to VPN. So first step that you will need to do is to download and respectively install the Turbo VPN application. That's a free and very convenient tool allowing you to achieve your goal, thus set up the VPN connection. So let's get it. First, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the agree and continue button. Choose to either allow or restrict notifications from this app. Then skip this ad by tapping this cross sign to your top left. And in order to finally connect ourselves to VPN, you gotta hit that caret icon, accept the, connection request. And as you can see by this key icon at the status bar, the VPN was successfully enabled. From here you can reconnect or change the server that you are connected to. If you would like to access some geo-restricted particular content, let's say. And once you're ready to turn the VPN off, just tap at the cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option. And that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.